All Saints Day, 1st November. All Saints Day is a celebration of all Christian saints, particularly those who have no special feast days of their own in many Roman Catholic, Anglican and Protestant churches. In many Western churches, it is annually held on November 1, and in many Eastern churches, it is celebrated on the first Sunday after Pentecost. It is also known as All Hallows Tide, All Hallow Mass, All Hallows Day, Solemnity of All Saints or Feast of Saints. History. The origin of All Saints Day may date back to a Greek Christian tradition from the 4th century, when a festival was held to honor saints and martyrs on the Sunday following Pentecost. The first recorded All Saints Day occurred on 13th May 609 CE, when Pope Boniface IV accepted the Pantheon in Rome as a gift from the Emperor Phacos. The Pope dedicated the day as a holiday to honor the Blessed Virgin and all the martyrs. In 835 CE, during the reign of Pope Gregory III, the festival was moved to 1st November and was expanded to include the honoring of all saints. It is likely that 1st November was intentionally chosen to replace the pagan feast of the dead, Samhain. The night before Samhain was a time when evil spirits roamed the land looking for humans. To confuse the spirits, people would dress up as creatures. This tradition carried on after 1st November became a Christian festival. Hence the name Halloween, which is a shortened version of All Hallows Eve. The day survived the Reformation, though the Protestants combined it with All Souls Day, which was on 2nd November. The day was abolished as a church festival in 1770, but may be celebrated by many churches on the first Sunday in November. All Saints Day and All Souls Day. All Saints Day is not to be confused with All Souls Day, which was first instituted at the monastery in Cluny in 1993 CE and quickly spread among Christians. All Souls Day is held on November 2 and dedicated to prayers of the dead who are not yet glorified. Observance. In Roman Catholicism, All Saints Day is a holy day of obligation. This means Catholics must go to Mass on the date unless there is a good reason not to attend, such as illness. The holiday is typically observed with the reading of the Beatitudes, 8 blessings given in Jesus' Sermon on the Mount as recounted in the Gospel of Matthew. In recent years, it has become common in many churches to commemorate those who died during the year on the day itself. The tradition of placing candles on the graves the evening before All Saints' Eve is becoming more common. All Saints Day around the world. All Saints Day is observed by Christians in many countries around the world. In countries such as Spain, Portugal and Mexico, offerings are made on this day. In countries such as Belgium, Hungary and Italy, people bring flowers to the graves of the dead relatives. In other parts of Europe, such as Austria, Croatia, Poland and Romania, it is customary to light candles on the top of visiting graves of deceased relatives. It is also observed in parts of Asia, such as the Philippines, where people visit graves of deceased relatives and clean or repair them. They also lay flowers on the graves and light candles. In France, church services in memory of all the saints are held on November 1, but by the evening the focus turns towards the dead. Cemeteries Everywhere are crowded with people who come to clean and decorate family graves. All Saints' Day is a public holiday in many countries such as Austria, Belgium, Bolivia, Chile, Croatia, France, parts of Germany, Hungary, Italy, Liechtenstein, the Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Spain, Sweden, and parts of Switzerland. It is not a nationwide public holiday in countries such as Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, or the United States. However, many Christians observe All Saints' Day in these and other countries.